Hey, my name is Leo Dreger. Thanks for watching. I want to show you a really cool tool called GetAcct. It's been around for the ages. And so all you have to do realistically is do a 192.168.92.131 against your target, and always move the end of the relative identifier much higher. Guests start right around the 1,000, so you realistically want to give yourself as many as you can here. So it depends on the size of the network that you estimate your target to be. If it's got 100,000 users, set this to 200,000. Give yourself plenty of room. So in this case, I'm just going to do 2,000 just to kind of narrow the range down a little bit, just for the specific purpose of demonstrating this. And I'm going to go ahead and say GetAcct. It pulls the domain information, the computer name, against our target. It starts at the user account. And I'm going to go ahead and expand this here so that I can show you just the information that you get. So I've got the two default accounts, administrator and guest. The full name of that. This is where I would look to see if they properly changed the default administrative account. And I know that 500 is always the administrative account, whatever this name is called. The user, the password, the different privileges on the system. So it's administrator versus user level privileges. The primary group ID that it's related to. So in this case, 513. The different accounts. Okay. And then you can expand these and play with these and look in much further detail, right? So you can see if the account is disabled or not. You can see if the password has notes on it or not. You would see in a real production network, you would see a little bit more beyond just the asterisk here. Okay. The last logon time. And notice if you look at the bottom bar here, left to right, there's quite a bit of room, so you can really scroll to the right in this specific program. So you have the last logon times, the last log off times. If the account is expired or not, I would want to know that for brute forcing. The number of logons, the number of bad password count, the specific logon hours. So if there's password restrictions, I would just note the convention here. What the logon server is, or their home directories. This is good for network file shares and paths. So if I now just go from basic user accounts, well, where are all of the user account files stored? So if I can go to their home folders and dig through them and check the permissions or anomaly for the permissions there, well, then that's where you would get that tip from. Okay. Also, maximum storage, units, and other information. Pretty powerful tool. Now, one of the things that I definitely recommend doing here is if you go ahead and save as, and go ahead and save it as a CSV or comma separated value file, and you can get an idea of how this is actually stored. It'll be good for importing and exporting purposes. But this is just a little gem of a tool. I just wanted to share it with you. It's one of those kind of oldies but goodies, but nonetheless, hey, we're always exploring new ways, and you never know if an old tool will actually be able to dig up new stuff. All right, so my name is Leo Dreger, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Twitter.